We can discuss new point. It is that the Zener diode. What is a Zener diode? When a impurity doping of the semiconductor is heavier than normal, the depletion layer produced is much thinner. In this case, when breakdown occurs, the charge carriers can pass through the depletion with very little chance collision taking place. This type of breakdown is known as Zener breakdown, and such diodes are called Zener diodes. The structure of Zener diode is shown in the figure. It is similar to the PN junction diode. In the PN junction diode, two extrinsic materials such as P and N type material that can be connected to each other. Only difference in the Zener diode, the doping of the P type material and N type material, it is the heavier. That can be shown in the figure. The main feature of the Zener diode is ability to operate in reverse breakdown mode without sustaining permanent damage. In addition, during manufacture, the precise breakdown voltage, Zener voltage for a given diode is predetermined. For this reason, they are also known as voltage reference voltage. The major application for this device limit or stabilize a voltage between 2 points in a circuit. Diodes are available with Zener voltages from 2.6 volt to about 200 volt. The working of the Zener diode, it is similar to the PN junction diode. In the PN junction diode, P-type material and N-type material that can be connected to each other, that can be diffuse the carriers to N-type to P-type and P-type to N-type. In the N-type electron that can be diffused to the P-type, some electrons can be created covalent bond and some electrons can be losses his charges and acquire opposite charge. Similar to the holes can be diffused to P-type to N-type, and some holes can be created covalent bond and some holes can be losses his charges and acquire opposite charge. This opposite charge electrons and holes comes in the center and that can be creates the covalent bond. Similar to the Zener diode, heavily doped P-type material and N-type material that can be diffused electron to N-type to P-type and holes can be P-type to N-type, and that can be losses his charges and acquire opposite charges, and these opposite charges carriers comes at the center and that can be creates the depletion region. The depletion region of the simple diode we can see at this screen. It is a smaller or thin in the Zener diode, and PN junction diode it is the large compared to the Zener diode. In the reverse bias condition, we can connect external electrical field, the negative terminal that can be connected at the P side and positive terminal of the battery that can be connected to the N side. That time the depletion region in simple PN junction diode, it is the large. And in the Zener diode, similar connection, the negative terminal of the external electrical field that can be connected to the P side and N side that can be connected to the positive terminal of the external electrical field. That time the depletion region size of the Zener diode is thin or small than the PN junction diode. So at the time of reverse voltage that can be increases after some voltage, the simple PN junction diode that can be breakdowns and start to the flow of charge. That time that can be generates the heat in the PN junction diode. Similar to the Zener diode, in the reverse bias condition, after the breakdown voltage that can be carry the carriers or that can be start the current That time it cannot be generate the heat because of Zener diode that can be used in the reverse bias condition. The characteristics of the Zener diode, it is similar to the simple PN junction diode in the forward bias condition. That can be operates up to the 0.7 or 0.3 volt depend on the material, silicon or germanium. But in the reverse bias condition, the smaller depletion region, so Zener breakdown voltage is predefined by the manufacturer. After this breakdown voltage or VZ, that can be act as a Zener voltage regulator. After the Zener voltage, that can be flows the current in the reverse direction. That can be shown in this figure. At the reverse bias condition, though no current that can be flow before the Zener voltage or Zener breakdown voltage. After the Zener breakdown voltage, that can be flows the reverse current. That is the Zener diode. Next point, it is that the Schottky diode. Schottky diode is the another diode. The symbol of the Schottky shown at this screen. Schottky diode, it is a low voltage diode. The power drop is lower compared to the PN junction diodes. The Schottky diode is named after the scientist Schottky. It is also sometimes referred to as hot carrier diode or hot electron diode and even surface barrier diode. What is a Schottky diode? Construction, application and characters and advantage that can be studied in this point. What is a Schottky diode? A Schottky diode is also known as hot carrier diode. It is a semiconductor diode with a very fast switching action but a low forward voltage drop. When a current flows through the diode, there is a small voltage drop across the diode terminal. In normal diode, the voltage drop is between 0.6 to 1.7 volt. While in a Schottky diode, the voltage drop normally ranges between 0.15 and 0.45 volts. This lower voltage drop provides higher switching speed and better system efficiency. In Schottky diode, a semiconductor material or metal junction is formed between a semiconductor and a metal, thus creating a Schottky barrier. The N-type semiconductor act as a cathode and the metal side act as an anode of the diode. Schottky diode construction, it is a unilateral junction. A metal semiconductor junction is forward at one end and another metal semiconductor confirm at the other end. It is an ideal ohmic bidirectional contact with no potential existing between the metal and semiconductor, and it is non-rectifying. The built-in potential across open circuit Schottky barrier diode characteristics of the Schottky diode. Schottky diode is a function of temperature dropping. It decreases and increases temperature doping concentration in semiconductor. For manufacturing purpose, the metal of the Schottky barrier diode like molybdenum, platinum, tungsten, aluminum, gold and etc. are used in the semiconductor use is N-type. IV characteristics of the Schottky barrier diode. The IV characters of the Schottky barrier shown in the figure. The forward voltage drop of the Schottky barrier diode is very low compared to the normal PN junction diode. The forward voltage drop ranges from 0.3 volt to 0.5 volts. The forward voltage drop of Schottky barrier is made up of silicon. The forward voltage drop increases at the same time increasing doping concentration of N-type semiconductor. The IV characteristics of Schottky barrier diode are very stable compared to the VI characteristics of the normal PN junction diode due to the high concentration of current carriers. Applications of the Schottky diode. The Schottky diode are used for the voltage clamping application and prevention of transistor saturation due to the high density in the Schottky diode. It is also be a low forward voltage drop in Schottky diode. It is wasted in less heat, making the efficient choice for the application that are in Schottky diode. It is wasted in less heat, making efficient choice of applications that are sensitive and very efficiency. Because of the Schottky diode used in stand photovoltaic systems in order prevents battery from discharging purpose for the solar panels. At night, as well as connected system containing multiple strings are connected in parallel connection. Schottky diode are also used in the power supplies. Advantages of the Schottky diode. First, Schottky diode are used in many applications compared to the other types of the diode that do not perform well. Low turn on voltage. The turn on voltage for the diode between 0.2 and 0.3 volts. For the silicon diode, it is a 0.6 to 0.7 volt from the standard silicon diode. Second advantages, the faster recovery time. A faster recovery time means a small amount of stored charges that can be used for the high switching applications. Third, low junction capacitance. It occupies a very small area after result obtaining from the right point contact silicon, since the capacitance level are very small. Thank you.